How to see watch history on Instagram. So if you want to see the watch history on your Instagram, then what you need to do is first open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, just simply go with the bottom right, which has that profile option. Go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and tap on search. And here you just need to simply search for history. Once you've searched for history, you'll get the search history. But if you want to go with your watch history, then you just need to simply go with your activity under your settings, and here if you scroll down, then you will have the likes history, comments history, and everything, or saved. So you just need to simply go with likes, and here you will have all of the posts that you've liked. Or if you go with comments, then here you will have all of the posts or videos that you've commented. So from this you will be able to see the watch history on your Instagram, but there is no particular option to see the watch history. But with these interactions, you will be able to know about what you've watched previously. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.